To us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government shall rest upon his shoulders. His name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace.
Come sing and chime in, jumping, roll softly, dim and humming vibrates under him.
As Bethlehem sweet, heaven breathes a whisper through the air so sweet. Mary, blessed Mother, chosen by the Lord, carries heaven's promise the world has waited for. Mary will conceive and give birth to a son, spoke the angel clothed in light, and his name shall be Jesus, smile.
Your Christian stars like a rising dawn.
A brilliant star appeared above, guiding wise men on their way. Shepherds heard the angels cry, rejoice, salvation comes today. Christmas, the Son of God is born. Let the trumpets ring with glory on this wondrous Christmas morn. Raise your voices, let creation shout his name. For Jesus Christ is here, eternal love aflame. Merry Christmas, Emmanuel has come, breaking chains of darkness like the rising of the sun. Sing with joy, sing with praise, the Son of God is born. In a humble manger bed, wrapped in cloth so warm, lay the everlasting King on that first holy morn. Mary gazed in wonder at the child she bore, Savior of the nations, promised evermore. He will be great, the angel said, and will be called the divine Son of the Most High God, heaven's precious one. Let every valley echo praise, let every mountain sing. The Lord of all has come to us, our Savior and our King. Merry Christmas, the Son of God is born. With the angels let us celebrate this bright and mighty morn. Voices rising, hearts united as we sing. For Jesus Christ is here, our Savior, Lord and King. Merry Christmas, let heaven now proclaim. Every knee shall bow and every tongue declare his name. Oh, rejoice, the Son of God is born. The stars stood still in holy awe. The night grew warm with light. Heaven's love embraced the world on that sacred winter night. A single flute plays above him. Wise men travel deserts wide, guided by the sky's embrace. Shepherds bowed before the child, bathed in heaven's grace. Suddenly the heavens burst with angel choirs above. Glory be to God on high. Behold his Christmas, the Son of God is born. Let the bells ring loud forever on this blessed Christmas morn. Trumpets, shining choirs rising to the throne. For Jesus Christ is Lord, and He shall reign alone.
Merry Christmas, Emmanuel has come.
Light has pierced the darkness like the bright eternal sun. Oh, rejoice, heaven's voice, the Son of God is born. Many thanks to Charles Xavier for writing and composing these biblical songs forevermore. King of Kings.